You let Mr. Parker know that you will not be barked at. You will roll in front of him in defiance. She's trying to help our assistant mechanic here, Stella, the tortie. She's on the case. She's under the car. Like she's working on it. What we got here in his exhaust leak? Uh-oh, here's some more wood screws in your fender. We need to fix that. Did you hit stop or are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Right on. Does this screw... Oh, maybe it's just... No, it's just how it's made. Never mind. Well, I mean, and not just in these two frames either, because you can totally tell by looking at them that that is... And then when you go down further, you're like, yeah, this has definitely been involved in a head-on collision, because everything is not where it's supposed to be. But like I said, it gets you from point A to point B. That's all you need.
Yeah.
What did the video say?
The video that I watched was for a completely different configuration.
Oh,
yeah.
Thank you, YouTube.
And
Tools, 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 tools. It'd be great if, like, in cartoons, like at the Mad Hatter's Tea Party when they work on the clock, that if cars did that and they, like, exploded and springs and shit went everywhere. But alas, no, you don't want that to happen.
Alright, that doesn't appear to be doing anything. And it is loose.
And it didn't do anything to the...
Yeah.
And you can't, like... No, it doesn't. Yeah, you're right. Well, I've been wrong about a lot of stuff before. This is...
Shit.
Back to the drawing board. Yeah, you might as well tighten that up. You don't want that loose. Okay, we're going to do some more research and find out. But yeah, this has definitely been tagged right in the front. The more you look at it, the more you see. Alright, we're going to do a lot more research. It's in great shape. The engine and the transmission from the outside, no leaking. But it has had extensive front-end damage. Either somebody probably left-turned into them or whoever had this car before, but... Okay. To be continued.